Hello guys, today I have got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working. So as you can see here we've got our phone, and the first thing that we need to do is to check for the charger and cable damage. So before checking the compatibility, we should check for damage. If you see that your cable is damaged, if your charger is damaged, the charging may be slowed down because of the safety reasons and heating reasons. This is the first thing. You need to just replace the charger and cable when you see that these are damaged. Number 2, check cable and charger for compatibility. If you have bought your charger and a cable on Temu, Shein, AliExpress, replace it immediately. If it's a verified brand like Bezos or something like that, and you can actually make sure that it's not fake, you are good to go. But if you bought it for $1 or €1 or any other currency, it's very bad because you need to replace it with a new one bought in some real electric shop. Of course, a genuine. You need to have a genuine, like for example from Bezos, as I said, Samsung, even or other I don't know, Ukraine companies, like Ukraine companies. So, and this is the second thing. The third thing is that you need to clean charging port with a non-metallic tool. If you see any dirt here, any debris, using a flashlight, you can clean it with a non-metallic tool. You need to clean it with a non-metallic tool. You can use cotton swabs, some brushes which are medium hard actually, and isopropyl or ethyl alcohol, because these don't conduct electricity. Number 4, I think, I don't know how to count this actually. Open settings. Here scroll down to the battery and device care, battery, scroll down to the more battery settings and make sure that fast charging is enabled. Now it's disabled, now it's enabled. And if it doesn't want to work still, you need to test your fast charging with another fast charger or outlet. So remember that charging your phone from a laptop is very bad. I mean, it's not very bad, but it's too slow and fast charging won't work there. And remember to replace outlets, remember to replace chargers, try using as many combinations as possible, and you'll be good to go. If you still can't do it, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Bye!